What up, guys? This is Pastor Canal again. We're coming up with another video, another tutorial or video or whatever you want to call this. Hopefully, this video help you out. So, we're going to be doing a background video. Okay, so I already have my video over here by the name Avon. It's a MP4. We're going to do a background with HTML and CSS. Just simple stuff, right? So let's start right here. Let's do our style right here in the moment. So let's do that. So that's ready. Now we're going to do our div right here. We are going to just 1 second. Okay, right here we're going to do a div, and then there's going to be a class name by the name hero. Let's put hero right here, or let's put header or banner. Header, let's put right there. Now inside right here we're going to do another div, not like that. Let's go back again. Okay, right here, and right here we're going to have another class by the name title, and right here we're going to have a h1, not like that, h1, and right here we're going to say video background, and then we're going to have a paragraph also, and we're going to say right here video testing here. Okay, cool, we have that. Now let's create another, we're going to do our video element right here. Okay, and we're going to give it a class name. We're going to call it video item. Okay, so now right here we're going to do the source. Right here we're going to give the name of the video I have by the name Avon that mp4. Let's close this a little bit, and right here the type is going to be video / mp4, and then we should be good. And we save that, and let's go check what we have. Refresh right here. Okay, look, the video is just static right there. It's doing nothing. Okay, let's go back to our HTML. Let's see, which one is it? Okay, right here. Now in here, let's give it some attributes. Give it some attributes and see what we have. 1 second. So the attributes that we have, we're going to say autoplay. It's going to keep playing. It's going to be muted. We don't want talking or anything like that, and then it's going to be looping. Let's save that and go back. Cool, that's working. Video's playing. Nice. Now let's go back. Let's go back here and let's do our style now. Okay, we're going to do the padding 0. We're going to do margin 0, and then we're going to do a box box sizing. Where are you? Right here. And then we'll do border box. Cool, that's there. Now we are going to do, we're going to target header. In here we're going to do display. We're going to do flex box, justify content, center. Okay, then we have align items. We're going to be center too, and then we have text align, which is going to be center too. Okay, this should be good for now, and we'll keep adding. Color of the text is going to be white. Then we have, let's see what we have so far. Okay, cool, we gotta fix all of this. All right, let's go back and do all of that stuff. So let's work on this one, on the header first. We're going to do a position relative, so we can move around the text and kind of fix the video. Then we're going to do overflow, hidden, and then we have min height. It's going to be 100 view height, and then okay, we're going to do the background too. Let's just do all of that background. We're going to do a linear gradient. We're going to do RGBA. Right here we're going to do 0 255 0 0.5, and then we're going to do comma, do RGBA again, and then we're going to do 0 comma 0 comma 255 0.5. Okay, all right, let's target our video item. Video item right here, we're going to do position. Since we have over here the parent element, it's, we did where is it, where is it, position relative. So now we gotta do, for the video, we're going to work on the video, we're going to do position absolute. Right here we're going to do top 0, we're going to do left 0. Come on, 0. Oh, was that too far? Yeah. Oh, come on. Okay, left 0. Then we're going to do a min height. We're going to do 100%, and then we're going to do a min width. Come on, width. Where are you? I'm going to do 100%. And width 100%, and then we gotta push the text index to -1 to the middle. Okay, let's save that and see what we have. Let's refresh it. Cool, we got video background, video testing here, so that's working really good. We got our gradient background right here on the video. All right, let's go back and let's style our H1. So we're going to do it right here, color RGBA, and we're going to do actually RGB. Let's go back. We're going to do 242 180, and then we have 80, and then font size we're going to do a three rim. Cool. And then we're going to do the paragraph too. So we're going to do padding top, padding top is going to be 0.3 rem, and then we're going to do font size, we're going to do 2 rem. Okay, let's save that and see what we have. Cool, that worked. And this is also responsive. That worked. Cool beans. Alright guys, thank you for checking the video. Hopefully this helped you out in your journey and you can do better with video backgrounds. Alright, have a good night and I'll see you next.